In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export expense receipts from your dashboard. If you've ever needed a clean, shareable file of your expense receipts for auditing, reimbursement, or tax prep, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get it done quickly and confidently. We'll move through the interface step by step, and I'll point out a few helpful tips so you can avoid common hiccups. Start on your main dashboard and look to the left-hand side of the screen. Find and click on Expenses. This takes you to the area where all of your recorded expenses live, including the receipts attached to each entry. Give the page a second to load if you have a lot of records. A brief pause here is normal, especially for larger accounts. Once you're on the expenses page, look for the More Action dropdown. Depending on your layout, it's often located toward the top of the page. Click it to reveal additional tools that aren't shown by default. This menu is where you'll find specialized options designed for bulk actions and exports. From that dropdown, select Export Expense Receipts. This option specifically targets the receipt files associated with your expenses rather than a general spreadsheet of transactions. It's ideal when you need the actual receipt images or PDFs bundled into one export, which can be much easier for review or archival. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a date range. This step is important because it determines which receipts will be included. Pick a start date and an end date that match the period you need, such as a single month for bookkeeping or an entire quarter for reporting. Keep in mind that broader ranges can mean larger files and slightly longer processing times. If you're preparing documentation for an accountant or a reimbursement cycle, align the range with that specific reporting period to keep everything consistent and complete. When your date range looks right, click Generate File. The system will begin preparing your export behind the scenes. You may see a brief progress indicator while it compiles the receipts that fall within your selected dates. It's fine to wait on this page while it finishes. When the file is ready, it will be available for you to retrieve, containing the receipt attachments that match the filters you set. And that's it. By navigating to Expenses, opening the More Action menu, choosing Export Expense Receipts, setting a thoughtful date range, and generating the file, you'll have an organized package of your receipts ready for your records or review. Thanks for watching.